Yo, what up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today's video, we are at our buddy shop, Mafia Motorsports, out in Torrance. This is actually called Gasoline Alley. If you guys are familiar with this area, this is like an old school area where a whole bunch of shops are here. We got Perfection Auto Collision. We got a whole bunch of race car shops. I don't know exactly what the hell over there was, a whole bunch of shops. This is the owner Moon's Porsche Cayenne. Check this thing out, some off-road tires and some rotiforms. Sheesh. He's also the owner of some sick-ass bands. It's actually a green color if you can't tell. There it is. I'll show you guys a little tour of the shop in a little bit, but we are here to install the Lasfit switches on the truck. There it is. So Lasfit sent over their switch panel to 8-gang, and what I was thinking of doing is having a clean setup and installing it right here. That way when it's not in use, you just put it away. So we'll see if my idea works. But first step was to get through the grommet. So you're gonna see this is a cable that goes to the switches. We put it through the grommet. Let me see if I can give you guys a little bit more light. Right there. Through the grommet. Pulled out the cable. And then what I would recommend is taking all these little clips off from here. Now we can remove this and run the cable all the way down to your battery. Right, Mar?
Yes, sir.
That's it. So we got everything wired up. I saw JT off-roading video. He has a Trail Boss. He did his for the tapped into the arrow shoulder fuse, but that didn't work for us. We tapped it into the cargo light, Marlon?
Yeah, the cargo light.
Cargo light. So we have it tapped into 83 cargo lamp is what we have right now. Just FYI. We have the switch panel right here. This is where you're gonna put all your actual switches, right? Your wiring, right? Power. It's gonna go towards your relay. On the box, it does show you which one goes to the actual battery, then the other one to the switch box. So go ahead and make sure you do that. And then this is the accessory. So like I mentioned, we hooked it up to the cargo lamp fuse. So if your truck is different, make sure that your fuse is correctly put on, right? What we did is we just 3M'd it right here, which you could just go ahead and screw it on if you needed to. And this is just my Baja Designs cabling that we did. And then each one, on the instruction manual, I believe these two are 5 amps, 10, 15, 20. So go ahead and hook it up to, oh, it says right here, 5, 10, 10, 20, 20, and 30, 30. Depending on what you're gonna go ahead and run, you have the different amperage right here. So hook it up to the corresponding one, you have your negative and positive. And that's it. I mean, nothing crazy to it. Keeps all your wiring nice and clean. This is water resistant and dust proof, all that good stuff. This is also water resistant and dust proof. It's sealed off all right here. So in case something was to happen, you can just go ahead and pop off this clear cover and go ahead and just turn it off, on or off. This is your master relay switch. So that's pretty cool that it has this type of protection on the lights. So Lasfit did really well. All your cabling is braided as well. So very tough, very nice. All you have to do the math or the figuring out is how you're gonna run it, to be honest. So yeah, this is what I came up with. The Baja Designs ditch lights, it's this right here. We just zip tied it together, ran it to the switch panel box, and that is it. Super dope, super excited. This makes me, I've had it for maybe like a week or so since Lasfit sent it, so I was just debating when to install it and where to install it on the inside. So now that I have that, I feel more confident in running more lights. So maybe like some rock lights, some grill lights, something like that, right? So that just makes it a lot easier for you to wire all that kind of stuff up. Once I go to the darkness, I want to go ahead and show you guys how the switch panel works and how it looks from the outside and stuff. So, yep. Freaking sick. So this is what I came up with on the inside. After I took in the cable, routed it through the pillar here, down here, right here, right? Boom. Swoosh. Yeah. That's gonna be sick. Once I get the rock lights and stuff, that looks sick. Quick little tour of the new updated JDM Mafia / Mafia Motors off-road, right? Got a dope little waiting section right here with some T37 little coffee table. This is their shop race car. Little wall of wheels. If you guys are local, come check out the cars that he has here. He has some display cars that pretty much rotate every couple months. Last time he had like a back Benz. There was like some old school Datsun. There's a whole bunch of different cars here all the time. So if you guys are local, come on, go ahead and grab some merch. Check out some wheels. Check out the cars that he has here on display. This is his little quick grab of parts that he has. Boom, boom. Remember those Broadway mirrors, coilovers, camber arms, everything. Airlift. They worked on my back setup as well for my BMW. You got exhaust, intakes, springs, you name it. Compressors for your back setup, lines. You got the merch wall. Check it out. Dope colorway. Here you go, you got the racer cord right there. Sick. This all them here. Cayenne wheels right there from the outside. So aside from all the parts I can go ahead and get for you guys also have the option for them to install. We have Marlon, the installer here. So hit up Moon, he is the owner of the shop. Marlon would gladly install your parts literally right next door. And we also have Scott, which also does the window tinting here. So get your windows tinted, some parts installed, cool little air freshener. Locals to the South Bay, pull up. Dope people. So we finished off the install, came across the street from the shop. We got my boy Jasper and Marlon. He has this lifted ridge line right here. Pretty sick. Car wash going out. That's what's up. I'm grabbing this sick IG reel video, so if you guys are followers of the page, go ahead and keep a lookout for this video. It's gonna be sick. Follow me at Drive Safe. Fool, you guys already know the vibes. So I was finishing editing the video and I forgot I didn't shoot the outro to this, and I didn't show you guys how it looks. So let's hop in real quick and show you guys what that looks like inside once you're actually using the panel. There we go. So let me do a quick rundown of what the modes are. So I think I have it under just flashing right now, right? So you can just, you don't have to press the on button, you just press the button, boom, they start flashing, right? To change the modes, you would press and turn on, press and hold it for 3 seconds. You're gonna see everything flashing. What this means is you're gonna choose which light you wanna change the mode to. In this case, I only have one. I'm gonna press that button. That means I'm gonna change this. Red means it's stationary, so you press it one time, boom, it's on. Press and hold it for 3 more seconds. Press the button again, which you want to do. Blue means it's stays on only while you're pushing the button. So in this case, it's blue. Press and hold 3 more seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now it's green. So once you choose which one, which mode you want to go ahead and do, you keep pressing the button. There you go. Now it stays on the green. Easy as that. Now, the mounting of your light pods, your lights, obviously all that is subjective to see what style you like, what style is easier. For me, I like that clean look because I don't see any of the buttons, since I don't use it all the time, right? It's only when you go off-roading. But yeah, comment down below where you guys are putting your switch panel. I like to see different ideas. I would love to move it around depending on what I see online. Oh yeah, check it out. Christmas season. Check out my Drive Safe Food page to see how I did that. Super easy, pretty festive, pretty dope. But yeah, once again, shout out to Lasfit. Promo code DriveSafeFu for, I believe it's 20% off. So go ahead and cop yourself a switch panel, some lights, something. Go ahead and shout them out. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. See you guys in the next one. Late.